9 unexpected but great uses for Vicks Vaporub. Vicks Vaporub is a popular common cold remedy with medicated vapors. Its main ingredients are camphor, menthol, and eucalyptus. They help relieve cough and nasal congestion. However, these are not the only benefits of this product. We are pretty sure you have never heard of these unexpected but amazing uses for Vicks Vaporub, so we decided to share them with you. Number 1. Reduce stretch marks. Rub some Vicks Vaporub on your stretch marks and in just 2 weeks, you will see that they gradually become less visible. Number 2. Helps get rid of bruises. Gently rub some Vicks Vaporub on your bruise and observe the healing process. The ointment will reduce all the swelling and the bruise itself will disappear faster. Number 3. Helps get rid of belly fat. Mix 1 tablespoon of crushed tablet camphor, 1 tablespoon of alcohol, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and half a jar of Vicks Vaporub until you get a paste. Before doing your physical exercises, apply this paste to your abdomen or to the area that you plan to work on, and wrap yourself with plastic wrap. When you finish your workout, rinse with plenty of water. Having the same effect as those expensive slimming cream, such homemade applications performed 2 to 3 times a week can make a real difference. Number 4. Relieves muscle and back pain. Thanks to its natural ingredients, Vicks Vaporub helps relax stressed muscles. If you are suffering from tennis elbow, try massaging some Vicks on the affected area until the pain is gone. Number 5. Relieves earache. Here is one simple way to relieve earache. Put a small cotton ball with Vicks Vaporub in your ear and leave it there for a few hours until you see your doctor. Remember, although this method does help relieve ear pain, it doesn't cure the infection itself. So it's very important that you consult your health professional as soon as possible. Number 6. Relieves headache. Menthol, one of the main ingredients of Vicks Vaporub, helps lower blood pressure in your head and as a result relieves pain. Just rub a little on your forehead. Number 7. Works as an insect repellent. Try using open Vicks Vaporub jar to repel mosquitoes, flies, and other insects. It's perfect when you suddenly run out of repellent or you have left it at home. Number 8. Treats toenail fungus. If you suffer from toenail fungus, try applying some Vicks to the affected nail every night and then put your socks on. The next day, wash your feet and clip off as much infected nail as possible. Repeat every night until your nails recover completely. Number 9. Brings noticeable results on your face. Apply a thin layer of Vicks Vaporub to the problem areas, acne, pimples, etc. Leave it overnight and clean your face in the morning. Be persistent and you will see positive changes very soon. Why do you use Vicks Vaporub for? Please tell us in the comment box below. Also share your experience with us because your feedback really matters. If you love this video, give this a thumbs up and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel so you never miss any of our upcoming informative videos like this. Thank you so much for watching.